So you are excited to learn Python or data science, and everyone online keeps saying just install Jupyter Notebook, it's easy. But then you try to install it and you are hit with all these terms like PIP, Anaconda, environments, and it gets confusing and frustrating really fast. So you just want to something like that to work, right? Well, in this video I'll show you the simplest way to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10 step by step with just zero tech knowledge. Even if you are brand new to coding, you will be up and running in few settings. Well, in this video I'll show you the simplest way to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10, and even if you are brand new to coding, you will be up and running in few minutes. So first of all, you have to install Python. For that you have to go to python.org and click the download Python button. Open the installer and check the box that says add Python to path. Then click install now, and once it's done, Python is ready to use. Now you have to click your start menu and type cmd and open command prompt. Now type in this command to install Jupyter. Now you can type that in command prompt, pip install notebook, and hit enter and let it install. It might take a minute or two, and once it's done, you just have to type Jupyter Notebook, press enter, and now your default browser will automatically open, and boom, and now Jupyter Notebook is running on your PC. Now you can start coding in Python right inside your browser. So that's it. Jupyter Notebook is installed and ready to go. You don't need Anaconda, don't touch a single weird setting, and now you are ready to start writing Python like a pro. So if this video helped you out, you can hit subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials like that, and if you got stuck somewhere, you can leave a comment. I am here to help. See you in the next one.